Hello students, welcome to another video of Chemphilia. Today I am going to start WBJEE PYQ series. Now let's come to the first question without wasting any time. Show that when the mole fraction of the solvent in the solution is nearly unity, the molarity, that is capital C, and molality, that is small m, of the solutions are connected by the equation capital C is equal to rho into small m, where rho is the density of the solution. Right? This question came in the year of 2001. So let us solve the question. Now, according to the question, molarity, that is molarity of the solution is capital C, right? And rho is the density of the solution. Rho is the density of the solution in gram per ml, right? Now we know that molality, that is small m, is equal to capital C into 1000 divided by 1000 rho minus m2, right? Now here I must mention what is m2. m2 is the molecular weight of the solute, right? Now this equation we may rewrite as capital C divided by rho minus just a minute, I've written here m, but uh, I think it will be capital C, right? Okay, sorry for the mistake. So it will be capital C. So the equation will look like rho minus Cm2 divided by 1000, right? Now since mole fraction of the solvent is nearly equal to unity, because that is given in the question. You can see the question, look at the first line of the question. The mole fraction of the solvent in the solution is nearly unity, right? So therefore Cm2 divided by 1000 is neglected, right? So small m is equal to capital C by rho, or we can say capital C is equal to small m into rho, and this was to be proved. So the question asked to prove this relation, C equals to m into rho, and this is proved. So I think you have understood the proof of this question. You have understood the solution of this question. Now let us come to the second question. The second question says that give one example with balanced equation of each of the following. Number one is decomposition, number two is rearrangement, and number three is double decomposition, right? So let us solve this question. Now first of all, number one, decomposition. Now decomposition, you know, it is a reaction in which a compound decomposes into two or more simpler substances. Clear? But since in this question only example is asked, so we will not give any definition. We'll just stick ourselves to give the example. So decomposition means where a simple substance, where a compound decomposes or breaks down into two simpler products. Clear? So for example, 2KClO3. KClO3, you know, it is potassium chlorate in presence of manganese dioxide. When it is heated, the product is 2KCl plus 3O2. So you can see that KClO3 breaks down to give two different products, KCl and O2. KCl is potassium chloride, O2 is oxygen, right? Next, let us come to the second part of this question. The second part, rearrangement. Now in rearrangement, what happens? Atoms get rearranged. Okay, so it's not decomposition, but just the atoms will change their position to give a different kind of product. So bonds may be broken, the position of the atoms are rearranged. So this is rearrangement. Clear? So in rearrangement, let us look at this example. NH4NCO. This is ammonium. This is ammonium thiocyanate. Ammonium thiocyanate. And this actually rearranges itself to produce NH2 whole twice CO, that is urea. So you can see no atom is lost or added, it's just the rearrangement or realignment of the atoms. Clear? So let us come to the next part of the question. The next part is number 3. Number 3 is double decomposition. Double decomposition. Right? Now, what is double decomposition reaction? Here you can see that there is a mutual exchange of ions. So let us consider this reaction between AgNO3 and NaCl. AgNO3 is, you know, silver nitrate, and NaCl is sodium chloride. So when they are treated, there is a mutual exchange of the ions. So after the reaction, Ag goes with Cl and Na that goes with NO3. So the products are silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So you can see that silver and sodium, or you can say NO3 and Cl, they have changed their position, or they have exchanged their positions with each other. So this is double decomposition reaction. Okay, so I hope you have understood these two questions. Both the questions were asked in the year of 2001. Clear? So this is it. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.